In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the HVAC air inlet door actuator on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located under the dash on the right side. Let's get started. Remove the plastic clip using a trim tool and remove the air duct piece. We're going to remove the vacuum fitting. Start to pull the hose off, and then there is this extra loop that goes around as a lock. Pop that off and remove the hose. We're going to grab our actuator and we're going to pull straight out towards us and remove it from the mount. Remove the vacuum fitting off of the top actuator. Go ahead and pop that actuator straight off. Push in and off, and this will come dislodged from the hook. Remove the actuator. I'm going to use a right angle pick to go up and pull that door handle down. Install the actuator. And now we can get our right angle pick out of the way. Allow that to go up, and we'll install our actuator. Push straight on. You'll hear it click into place. You should be able to pull on it without it coming off. Install the other actuator. We're going to get it started onto that rod. Twist it up into place and click it in. Install the vacuum lines. Make sure you pull that locking tab around it. Install the vent up into place. Install the bottom clip, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.